Hello guys, today we are going to see about how to delete a user account on Windows 11. Let's do it guys. Go to start menu, type control panel, click on it, go to user account, go to user account, manage another account, pin code. If is Microsoft Windows, you need the pin code. Okay, pin code is if you want delete any accounts, click on it, delete the account. Before you deleting colors and can automatically save the contents. Do you want to keep new files? Delete all files. If you want to keep that account files, you click on it. Click keep files. I need to delete. I want to delete that account and click delete account. This account is signed in before you delete. This account is to be switch to sign out. Okay. Before deleting this account, any accounts, you need to signed out. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my videos. Thumbs up please guys.